What you can do if your Walmart app is not working. If you're having trouble or any kind of issue with your mobile app of Walmart, there might be a few fixes that you can apply to solve the problem. The first one being uh, make sure that your internet connection is stable. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, the app won't work. So in order to check that, you can check by using other applications. But even if you do that and it's still not working, what you can do is long press on the app, go to the app info, go to permissions, and make sure to allow all of these permissions, because sometimes if the app doesn't have the required permissions, it may malfunction. So once you make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions, you can go to storage and tap on clear cache, and sometimes that might solve the problem as well. Once you do that, you can clear data, or you can install and uninstall the app and reinstall it. So after doing that, your problem should be solved. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.